Your house is ready to be put on the market. You've staged, cleaned, and decluttered. At CC & Co., we ensure your home is always ready to show with our Show Ready checklist. Here are our top 5. Number 1, move all vehicles for a clear view from the street. First impression for buyers is crucial. Number 2, make sure to take your pets with you. Loud barking dogs can be very distracting for potential buyers during showings. Number 3, set your home to a comfortable temperature. You want the potential buyers to spend time in your home, not rush out for air, especially in Phoenix's hot summer months. Number 4, empty all trash and clear out dirty dishes from the counter and sink. This will make the home smell fresh and look clean. Number 5, protect yourself. Put away all valuables, personal information, or medication. If you want the full Show Ready Home checklist, please reach out to us.